We,
24
we,
seats, sir.
we are with AIDMK. They are our major partner. We are with institution. They will take a decision. Shashikala's strength and weakness. They know Dinakaran's strength and weakness. Both are able to take a decision. Thiru EPS, Thiru OPS. Both are able to take a decision. They will take a decision. We are not doing only for the politics. We are doing development of the Tamil Nadu. We are protecting Tamil Nadu culture. How many seats we'll get? We'll do 100% result.
How many seats have you sought, sir?
Huh?
How many seats have you sought?
That's it. Discussion is going on. It will settle once we'll come out. 234 plus. How it's possible? How it's possible?
You're not worried, you would like to bring out the news, that's all.
Huh?
You're not worried, we like to just give. Everybody in Tamil Nadu are looking at this situation scenario currently, eagerly.
We'll wait. Because that only we also little dragging.
Any one specific point which is a conflict of interest or anything?
No conflict. No conflict.
So did you also plan to bring in Shashikala back into the IDMK alliance? There is a huge rumor.
I heard about news. I can't aware.
There is a speculation that Amit Shah has spoken about this to the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu.
Does BJP want Shashikala to be with the IDMK alliance?
Shashikala or AMM?
You only speculating that. You aware that I can't aware.
Sir, from your side, what is your view? So, will you accept?
Has BJP sought
We,
24
we,
seats, sir?
we are with AIDMK. They are our major partner. We are with institution. They will take a decision. They know Shashikala's strength and weakness. They know Dinakaran's strength and weakness. Both are able to take a decision. Thiru EPS, Thiru OPS. Both are able to take a decision. They will take a decision.
As an alliance party leader, do you think Shashikala is required to strengthen this alliance?
Always we will think Tamil Nadu progress, Tamil Nadu interest. We are not doing only for the politics. We are doing development of the Tamil Nadu. We are protecting Tamil Nadu culture. We are thinking that.
So for that, do you need Shashikala or you can remove her from the question?
Yeah, they will take it. They are the major partners. They know. They will take a decision.
What about the numbers, sir? Has BJP sought 24 or 30?
Yeah, we will get the 100% result. How many seats we will get? We will do 100% result.
How many seats have you sought, sir?
Huh?
How many seats have you sought?
That's it. Discussion is going on. It will settle once we'll come out.
Sir, 25 plus or 35 plus?
We are strengthening our party, all 234 constituency. NDA will get to all 234. Tamil Nadu, it will happen.
30 plus?
234 plus. How it's possible?
30 plus?
How it's possible?
30 plus?
Huh?
30 plus? Seat sharing?
So when are you expecting to sign the pact actually? Say seat sharing signed. When are you expecting it actually?
Discussion is going on. Once it will settle, all compound within 19th March,
The last year.
100% it will come out.
Are you going to take it all the way to 19?
How many seats will get, which constituency will get, all are come out within 19, don't worry.
We still have 16 days, sir. 2 weeks are there.
Yeah, speculating many news, we have option are open.
Sir, keep on delaying. That would be the major favor for the opponent party of like DMK or their alliance. You are making so strategically moving to the talks.
I can't aware. We are strengthening our party everywhere. Twice Prime Minister came to Tamil Nadu. Twice Home Minister visit to Tamil Nadu. And our National President, he also visit to Tamil Nadu. FM Finance Minister, she also visit to Tamil Nadu. Defense Minister also visit to Tamil Nadu. Our party strengthening work are going on everywhere. It will help to NDA, no doubt.
Do you think that you said that Shashikala's and Dinakaran's positive and negative is known by OPS and EPS? At the meanwhile,
Compare it to you.
Do
Com-
you think
sh-
they
com-
will take a
com-
decision
com-
at the right
com-
time
com-
before?
compare it to you. Compare it to us. They are able to judge. Thank you. Nandri.